Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this example, I'm going to be looking at a different temperature scale. And we're going to be looking at a temperature scale that's based on the melting and boiling points of mercury rather than water, which is what we're used to with Celsius. I'm going to call my scale temperature degrees mercury. And I know that I've defined 0.0 degrees mercury to be equal to the melting point of mercury, which is 38.83 degrees Celsius, and that's negative. And I'm going to call, let me just rewrite that again, 0 is 0m equals negative 38.83 degrees C. And the boiling point of my mercury scale, I'm going to call that 100 degrees mercury. And that equals 356.7 degrees Celsius. Now, I want to find what the boiling point of water is, 100 degrees Celsius, according to my new scale of degrees mercury. And I want to find what degrees Celsius corresponds to a change in 10 degrees mercury. Right, so first I'm going to need my conversion formula to go between degrees Celsius and degrees mercury. Okay, and we'll see that 100 degrees mercury corresponds to a change of 38.83 plus 356.7 degrees Celsius. And I can use this fact along with the fact that 0 degrees mercury equals negative 38.83 degrees Celsius to find a formula that looks like degrees Celsius equals 3.955 degrees M minus 38.83, or degrees M equals C degrees Celsius over 3.955 plus 9.82. And with these two equations, I can answer my questions. First, I want to know what temperature in degrees mercury corresponds to the boiling point of water, 100 degrees Celsius. So I'll use this equation here. I have M equals 100 divided by 3.955 plus 9.82. That gives me a value of 35.1 degrees M. And I want to know what change in temperature in degrees Celsius corresponds to a change in 10 degrees mercury. I know that 1 degrees mercury equals 3.955 degrees Celsius. So a change in 10 degrees on the mercury scale corresponds to a change of 39.55 degrees Celsius. Just a quick example on working with different scales and doing conversions between different systems of measurement.